I just got the brand new Insta360 Luna Ultra, and instead of testing it at home, I decided to take it somewhere I actually love being, out on the trail. Today, I'm unboxing it, pairing it with my iPhone setup, and putting it through a real hiking adventure. I'm bringing my favorite iPhone silicone case, my PopSocket, and my new camera to see if this can become my ultimate hiking content setup. So let's hit the trail and see what this camera can actually do.
Hey guys, it's Maureen and welcome back to the channel.
I love filming my adventures with my iPhone, but I wanted something I could take into more active situations while keeping my iPhone free for photos and regular filming. Of course, I couldn't go hiking without my iPhone 17 Pro Max. I'm keeping my setup simple today with my silicone case and my PopSocket because this is the setup I actually use when I'm out exploring. The iPhone is going to be my main camera for photos and some quick shots, while the Insta360 Luna Ultra is coming along acting as an automated virtual cameraman. So now we have two cameras, one hiking trail, and hopefully some really good footage.
By the way, we've got the Apple Watch Ultra here. So we're officially on the trail right now. We are at the High Banks Rollaways today. We're going to be hiking. Hopefully we'll do 10 miles today. It's a beautiful day. It's a bit cooler. Let me show you the views here. We got a mushroom.
This is exactly why I wanted to bring the Insta360 Luna Ultra with me. I don't always want to hold my phone while I'm hiking, especially when I'm trying to enjoy the scenery. Having a camera that allows you to preview and control framing from up to 65 feet away, making it easy to set the camera down on a rock or log and walk the trail to capture a moving professional grade self shot. I'm also loving having my iPhone ready to grab for those moments where I want to stop and take a photo or capture a more intentional shot. So far, I feel like the two cameras are actually working really well together.
You guys, my family calls me as an animal whisperer. I don't believe it until I see an animal on my hikes, and here you go. You'll be surprised what we have here in front of us in this trail. I am surprised too. Oh my God, look at this cutie. He's just sitting right on the side of the trail, and if Joshua didn't look, he could have like stepped on him.
Out a little. The whole guy.
Oh, he's moving now. Oh my God. Please don't fall. I'm worried about him. I think I scared him. This is with the wide angle. I feel like there's not really much of a difference. It hasn't been a mile yet and I'm really hungry. We're having some nuts. Need help?
After hiking for a while, I had to stop and take in the view. And honestly, this is where I still love having my iPhone with me. The Insta360 is giving me a completely different perspective, but my iPhone is still the camera I reach for when I want to capture a photo, check the trail, or just document the little moments. And yes, the silicone case and PopSocket are still coming everywhere with me. Apparently, my hiking setup now has 2 cameras and one very important pop socket.
We still have more miles to go. Yeah, we're gonna use all the filters that this camera have and make use of them on this hike. We'll see which one is our favorite. Like a vivid. While I'm eating nuts, it is really nice on this angle right here. I wonder if I could change the filter while it's recording. No, I can't. The sound of the birds are so relaxing. The Leica Chrome. Having a filter on this camera will help it kind of shade the too much exposure, I guess. This is POS film we are using right now. And it also made the case a little bit more dark compared to the natural. This is the fresh filter. I kind of like this too. Oh, I can see the water from here. I just dropped my phone. Oh boy. Yeah, I kind of like the fresh. Has a lot of saturation. It shows how colorful the bright guava. PopSocket, squishy, tide pulled in daisy white. So far, my favorite is the Leica Vivid. It looks natural compared to the other filters. Makes this case look a little bit fun and colorful. I think this is the filter that I'll be using a lot on my hiking adventures. Ooh, I can see a view. It has really nice bokeh.
After taking this on my first hike, I can already see myself using this for backpacking, camping, kayaking, and travel. And that's a wrap on my first hiking adventure with the Insta360 Luna Ultra. I honestly think this could become a really fun addition to my travel and hiking setup, especially alongside my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, I want to take it somewhere even more adventurous.
We're gonna go up again on this hill here. I might need my The end's so long too.
So if you want to see me test this camera on a bigger adventure, make sure you're subscribed.
That is it for this video, guys. I hope you have a good day and night, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!